Nothing person no see for this reason. Zubi come outside say nobody help him. Una begin carry the matter, the investigator. See many videos as Zubi take go touch. Touch will be say so tell Zubi evil hide go. No say family people, village people. Village people follow and go there, they snap a picture. All the old picture they carry and come outside. This way don't tell when people say Zubi no even know say the evil video and everything don't come outside. Una investigate the matter, the investigator they come carry and they come outside. They carry video, see video, pictures so snap, music when they sing, they call it to me, papa they call on, carry everything come outside. Or there. This straight one take the investigate that one, no go use that to investigate your family problem. Idiot. We don't ask ourselves where be saying only one person for your family, now they make am. The rest people money when they get now to they subscribe for internet. They look rubbish, they investigate nonsense, now they do. You know as ancestors with the MB when you get money they subscribe. Or there. Sit down for that, they investigate person problem. Now investigate your problem. They carry video, they carry everything. When Buhari come that day, nobody, they investigate Buhari, go carry old things we don't fair do for life, come they post them for life, make people for the same so that they go think before they vote for Buhari. Una not do anyone for that one. Una begin carry Zubi matter now, they investigate and see video don't fall everywhere, picture don't fall everywhere when they go to major church. When they want to do election, who post Buhari picture? Who post the nonsense where Buhari don't do? Say Buhari no good, the man not vote for and see what he don't fair do before. Say I take go so place, say I not take help people. Nobody post them. Now carry now the video Zubi. They carry Zubi matter, they carry up and down. They use MP, they disturb person and not let person rest. Today Zubi, tomorrow this one. Where do you forget power? It concern you. It concern you. Where forget power concern you? Hello, LA. It concern you. You not go ask me, you not go even go find out, sit down, they find what it be Nigeria problem. You know they find. Tomorrow now say Buhari is the problem. Now yourself, now you be the problem of that country self. When sit down, they carry video up and down, the video, they find where Zubi don't fail. Who know how many people you don't even born till they find they watch to old video when fair do. Where that Zubi they there. Who know how many people you don't use till they find the video they go. You know, stay there, use Google, they ask Google, you about your father, what it cost and know the progress of your family. What it cost and say, only one person, now they make them. The rest, when you follow if I enter Europe, said, they know if they do anything. They here, they drink beer for guiding every time. You know us. Your brother, they Europe for over 10 years, he not do anything for us. You know, ask Google, say, tell me the history of my family. Why be say nobody, they make them, they don't even manage go Europe, you not get anything. You there, they carry another person, matter they put for head. Nonsense. See person. He grow bow. Bacho, hello. Hey. Unne. I bet come on for here.